I think we can create revenue, for example, is to find opportunities when analyzing data. The best people to find opportunities is the business users themselves. They know their business. They know when you give them data, they start having ideas. Now, in order to give them data, they need to understand the data. And here is where Io-Tahoe help you cataloging, creating like a dictionary and guiding them to the right tables, to the right columns and cells for them to start having those clever ideas. A very interesting feature related to what is personal data, what is confidential data, what is public data, so you can classify the data. Now, when you need to be compliant, you need to know out of all your data, which one is personal, which one is, to then apply your own policies, to then decide who can access that data. Do you need to encrypt it? Do you need to actually only restrict it to certain people looking at it? Can you open it to everyone? So which of the data you treat how, which one you retain in GDPR terms, you need to know some data you need to be deleting. And if you don't know what data you have, you don't know what data you need to keep, what data you need to secure or encrypt or delete. So all this classification in order to apply your own policies only start in the moment that you bring a technology that allows you to profile the data and help you deciding which data you treat how. And I think that that is a strong part. The other side is once you have that classification, you can have an audit trail if a regulator comes or an auditor comes. It gives you transparency. You can show, look, all this data is classified, X% is confidential, this percentage is public, this percent, and we are treating it that way. So it's transparent, it's documented.